So if you see right here is Florida. See? That's where you were going to be. Ooh, my finger looks really big. Look at that shit. That's what it's doing right now. And you can see the bands right here. They're going to go, as this goes up, it's going to just, look at that. Where the green is, that's not good. That's all shitty. There's a second hurricane right here. That's really big. I didn't realize how big that hurricane was. That's scary. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Okay. I hope that God, I hope nobody I know stayed. I'm so glad you're not going to be driving through this shit. Okay, I love you.